NEET 2018, question number 89. Identify the major products P, Q, and R in the following sequence of reaction. Benzene plus CH3, CH2, CH2Cl on reaction with anhydrous AlCl3 gives product P, which on further reaction with O2 and H2O gives Q plus R. Now from the basic gist of the reaction, we know that this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So it can be further written as CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus, and it goes on alkylation to form this product. Now the basic reaction here is this: benzene plus CH3, CH3, CH with a positive charge, so that the P product we get is this, and on reaction with oxygen and with hydrogen H2O we get the Q and R product as this and this.